Hi student, welcome to Nanda classes. Today we are discuss class 9 chemistry, atoms and molecules. These are most important chapters of class 9 chemistry. So in this chapter today we are discuss some MCQ type questions, multiple choice questions which are mostly come in exams, and it is most important selected questions. I hope all of you was till the end of this video because it is a most important lecture. So let's start to our multiple type questions. The first MCQ or multiple choice questions, that is the relative numbers and kinds of atoms in a given compounds. So here given four options. This is one are the correct answers. Okay. So the first options are given changes with conditions, and the second one remain constant, and the third one not fixed, and the fourth one cannot be determined. We are already discussed when the compounds are formed, it is a fixed number of order or fixed kind of atoms are present, like H2O. In H2O, two atoms of hydrogens and one atom of oxygens are fixed. We cannot change their relative numbers and kinds of atoms. That's why it is the answer is the B is the correct, remain constant. Okay. The second questions, atoms of silver and aluminum have. Atoms of silver and aluminum have, there are given four options. First one similar chemical properties, second similar mass, and the third different chemical properties. Okay. Here is the C is the water correct answer. Okay. The relative number or kinds of atoms have different chemical properties. So C is the water, their right answer. Okay, and the next third questions are the valency of magnesium in magnesium sulfate. The valency of Mg in magnesium sulfate. In magnesium sulfate, what are the formula of magnesium sulfate? It is a MgSO4. The formula of magnesium sulfate, it is MgSO4. And Mg are the +2 and sulfate are the -2. And here asking Mg, valency of Mg are the +2. So what are D is the what are correct option. Okay, so we are discuss the next questions. The number 4 question. The chemical reactions that take place on heating calcium carbonate. When that time the calcium carbonate are heated, they are decomposed and change into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So it is a decomposed, that why it is one type of decomposition reactions. Okay, here option are given: double displacement reaction, dissociation reaction, decomposition reaction, and displacement reaction. So this is all are the types of reactions. Here diagram are given. A plus B means at two form AB, it is a combination reaction. And AB one substance are decomposed into two form A or B, two different substance, it is decomposition reactions. AB plus C two form AC plus B, it is a displacement reactions. And AB plus CD to form AD and BC, it is a double displacement reaction. So it is a type of reaction we are detailed study in the class 10 chemistry. Okay, so here the right answer is a decomposition reactions. Any substance are decomposed or break down and to form two new substance, then it is decomposition reaction. And the next number 5 questions, the ratio between hydrogen and oxygens in water by mass. So in water, what are the element presents? Hydrogens and oxygens. So hydrogens are the H2. So hydrogen, the mass of hydrogen, what are H? H is the mass of the hydrogen are the 1, and oxygen the mass is the water 8. And in H2 water, 2 atoms of hydrogen, that is the mass is the 2, and the oxygen is the water 16. So 2:16, their simple ratio will come 1:8. So C is the right answer, that is 1:8. And the next question, number 6, an isotopes of hydrogen is, we are already discussed the isotopes, the elements having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. And the hydrogen have the 3 isotopes, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. Here options are given: thorium, hydronium, lithium and deuterium. So deuterium is the right answer. Next, the question 7. The charges on aluminium and sulfate ions in aluminium sulfate are. Aluminium sulfate water formula Al2SO4 whole 3. In aluminium sulfate, Al3 plus ions and SO4 2 minus ions are combined and to form aluminium sulfate. Aluminium are the plus 3 ions and sulfate are the minus 2 ions. That's why the plus 3 and minus 2 is the water correct answer. So the next questions. The number 8 questions. Matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This law is known as Dex. Okay, this law already we have discussed. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reactions. It is based on law of conservation of mass. Here are given 4 options, that is law of multiple proportion, law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion and law of reciprocal proportion. So the correct answer is the B, that is law of conservation of mass. Next, the question number 9. That is the building block of all matter is called Dex. The building block of all matter is called, here given 4 options, that is an ions, an atom, a molecules or a compounds. So all these matters are made up of atoms. So the right answer is the B and atoms. And the next questions are, Dalton proposed the term nucleus, that atoms could not further divided, and the C, the term atoms, and the 4 existence of neutrons. So the Daltons are given the postulate about the atoms or the terms about atoms. That way the right answer is the C, the terms atoms. Okay, we are already taught in the lesson portion what are Dalton atomic theory are about the Daltons. So all of you are requested to go through this video for the total chapters. And the next question is the molecular mass of sodium carbonate. The formula of sodium carbonate are the Na2CO3, Na are the 2 atoms, carbon are the 1 atoms and oxygen are 3 atoms are formed. So it is a one homework for you. Okay, you calculate the mass of the sodium carbonates. Okay, here 4 options are given, that is one are the 106, 100 U, 102 U and 98 U. U means the atomic mass unit of molecular mass. Okay, I hope all of you are complete all this. Okay, and here another one diagram are given, difference between atoms and molecules. This is also one question will come. What are the difference between atoms and molecules? Atoms, inside the atoms what are present? Electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles, and neutrons are negatively charged particles. That's why the atoms is wholly neutral. Okay, and the atoms are combined and to form what are molecules. Here the more than 2 or more atoms are combined then to form what are molecules or compounds. Here are the diagram of some scientists. Okay, I hope all of you know both these scientists. This is the water and Albert Einstein, the great scientist, and it is another scientist. It is also a famous scientist. And this is a homework also for you. You write the scientist name, okay, in the comment box. I hope all these questions you have to properly understand. It is the most important questions, and today lectures are helpful for you. Okay, so thank you for watching.